Welcome to Design, Draw, Create. Keep watching to see a complete tutorial on how to make these 3 different versions of this metallic modern greeting card. Here are the supplies that you need for the first version. Everything that I specifically used will be linked down below. Start by drawing out your design in pencil. I used my ruler to make sure that the lines were particularly straight. I've included a link to a free template down below for you. The next step is to use your metallic pens and ruler to trace over the lines that you have previously drawn in pencil. I started with my silver pen, and then I used my gold pen to make a slightly thicker line again on the left side of the card, and then mirrored that with a couple lines on the right side of the card in gold. And finally, I repeated that with my copper pen on the lines you can see here. I made sure that I had each color on both sides of the card to give it a more symmetrical look despite the rather asymmetrical lines and design. So once you've traced over all of the lines using your metallic pens, the first version of this card is complete. You can leave it just like this for a very basic and simple card. Or to create the other versions, all you'll need are the supplies shown here. Again, I'll add all of the specific items that I used below. So to start making either the happy birthday or congratulations, or you could even make it a thank you card if you wanted variant of this, all you need is to take your scrap piece of paper and draw a random shape using one of your metallic pens. Here I drew 2 different shapes to give you some ideas using my silver and gold pen. Then I went in with my pencil and I wrote out the words that I wanted to have in the middle of the shape. As you can see, I put congrats in the gold shape on top and then happy birthday in the silver shape on the bottom. And then for one variation, I used a black pen and I traced over the word congrats. And then I used the copper pen and I traced over the word happy birthday. The next step would be to cut out these 2 different shapes. And then once you have the shapes cut out, you can lay them out in many different configurations on the card. Here I'm showing you some ideas for the happy birthday where that could be laid out to create very different effects and looks for this card. Or again, if you wanted to make the congrats or congratulations version, again, here are a few different views or placements that you can lay out this word and shape. And then once you've decided on your final placement, all you need to do is glue it on. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on 3 different versions of this metallic geometric card. Thanks for watching. I hope you try making one of these versions yourself.